Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The difficulty of procuring palms in unfavorable climates led to their substitution with branches of native trees, including box, olive, willow, and yew. The Sunday was often named after these substitute trees, as in Yew Sunday, or by the general term Branch Sunday.
Take our lead.
Many families display their palms in their homes by fastening them to crucifixes or religious works of art, while others follow the custom of weaving the palms into crosses. To dispose of palms respectfully, they may be either burned or buried, but they must never be discarded in the trash, Rolfs said. 26 March 2021.
Take our lead.
This is the day the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it. Be strong, and let your heart take courage, all you who wait for the Lord. God did not send his Son into the world to condemn the world, but to save the world through him.
Let's help you make your mark.
The lesson of Palm Sunday is that anyone can have their fortunes, and their lives, change dramatically overnight. But, the lesson of Easter is that God remembers that and keeps his promise to us, always. 27 March 2018.
Let's help you make your mark.
Where did these palms come from? Most likely they have been imported from one of a few Latin American countries, Guatemala, Belize, or southern Mexico, for instance. And most likely they have been harvested in a manner that is harmful to the environment. 22 March 2013.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.